Welcome back to the bench. Today we have a bit of a decorative lamp build going on. What I have here is an empty glass bottle and 2 packs of coloured LED lights. These are from a Euro shop, so they're pretty cheap. It's just your standard 2-cell battery holder with a string of LEDs attached. Find some double A's. There we go. Throw them in there. And yeah, so they're not super bright. They probably look brighter to me than they do to the camera. And what we're going to do is we're going to drill a hole in the bottom of this bottle using a special bit for drilling glass. But as there's only 30 LEDs on there, what I want to do is just string them together. No pun intended. You should be able to run 60 LEDs off 2 batteries without any issues. So let's get started and do that bit first. So, yeah, they're just tack soldered on. So, soldering iron's already heated up. Let me just get a pair of tweezers. So we can pull this off. One off. Two off. Okay, and then I'll just need to get rid of that hot snot out of the way so that I can pull the wires through without snapping them, hopefully. Or maybe I can just try pulling them through. Well, that's on there good and proper. So I'll have to get the hot snot out. And will it slide out? No. It's got it good and proper. I could heat it up, then it'll go everywhere and make a hell of a mess, and I'll be scraping it up forever and a day. Nope, that didn't work. Okay, plan B, we will have to solder the wires. Okay, so let's get this one undone. Okay, and there's one LED which is right at the end, so we're going to have to leave that one because we need something to actually solder onto. Now this is enamelled wire, so it is insulated, so the best thing to do is to use a bit of sandpaper, but I don't seem to have any at hand. So the second method is just basically to heat the end of the wire with soldering iron to burn off the enamel. And use a bit of solder. Just get it nice and hot. should do that one. Get better in shot. Okay. We'll take our other string and we will do the same. Okay, now what I want to do is obviously turn these on, and then I want to make sure that I get the polarity the right way around. I don't want to solder them up and then find out that they're the wrong way around. No. Yeah, there we go. So let's just solder these two together. Should be fun. This wire is very, very springy. That's got it, yeah. Okay, so our 59 LEDs, because we cut one off, now light up. Just unravel them all. Okay, what I'm going to use is a little bit of nail polish just to re-insulate that solder joint, because, or to insulate the solder joint, because yeah, we don't want the LEDs shorting out on us. And yeah, I don't want to put any kind of caps on tape or anything, because yeah, obviously that will be very visible within the bottle. So next best thing is a bit of clear nail polish. It should give it a good bit of insulation. I'll do both. Okay, so well, that's having a couple of minutes to dry. Let's take a look at our bottle. Okay, so I want to drill a hole pretty much in the bottom there. The good thing is that it's got this notch, so we can put the wire through there and it won't get snagged. So this is our drill it. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to spray a little bit of IPA down there, just basically to stop any kind of dust flying up, because obviously it's going to be glass dust. Okay, and you don't want to be going too fast with this, slow and steady. Okay, so that's our hole drilled. It's wide enough to get through. Get our cable through there with our LEDs on. You don't have to go all the way through. The bottom of the bottle obviously is quite thick, considerably thicker than the side, but you want to take it slow and easy, and definitely use a proper drill bit like this, which which is designed for drilling glass and tiles. If you try and use a normal drill bit or a masonry bit, the bottle will most likely shatter on you. And that would not be good. A, it'll ruin your bottle. B, it could ruin your day because it could slice your fingers open. Okay, I just need to go and give this bottle a rinse out to get rid of any of that glass dust that's inside. So back in a second. Okay, so the bottle is back. A quick a bit of kitchen roll. There will still be a little bit of water in there, so you probably want to let it dry out properly first. But obviously, for the simplicity of this video, I will stick the lights in now. Okay. So let's unravel this mess. This does tangle up quite easily. We're going to just straighten it out without getting any kinks in there. There's our solder joint. It should be nice and insulated now. Okay, what I want to do is put the LEDs all the way through and out the top. And you'll see why in a moment. Okay, let's pull them all the way through. Okay, yep, they're still working. So our bottle will stand up like that. And what I'm going to do is just now feed the wire back in, and hopefully it'll make a nice random dispersal in there. I also have here a chopstick which I can use to poke down and keep things going. That's our first 29 LEDs in there. Try and push some of these down to the bottom, more to the bottom. And keep feeding them in. Not sure how well you can see this with the glare on the glass from the light. The last few like to spring out all the time, so let's just get this here and try and push them down. Okay, and then to finish off we just put our cork in the bottle and then switch it on. Okay, and I will switch off the main lights, studio lights here, and so you can hopefully see that better. Okay, so now we have a nice decorative lamp that's full of nice blues and greens and reds, which you can use to put on your table as a decorative item. Maybe if you're having a dinner party, make a nice little talking point or as a Christmas decoration, because Christmas is approaching us at the moment. We've just gone into November, and yeah, this is a nice little neat project which you can do in just a few minutes, that you can wow your friends with. If you like this video, then give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down. As always, thank you for watching.